Easter weekend.
Yeah, sorry, it's been kind of crazy traveling for work
And
weather, and
we're supposed to get nice weather this weekend, but we can't wait. We've been too excited. As you can see right down here, we've got our new mid-pipe. This came like a day after I got the car, so we've had this for 4 months now. We've got a lot more parts up front. We'll tell you about those in another video. What I want to do though is sound test. All it has right now is Flowmaster mufflers. Weld-in Flowmasters. It's not even a Flowmaster catback, so it's just weld-in Flowmaster mufflers. I'm thinking we're going to be around 90? 95. What do you guess?
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty quiet. Maybe
we couldn't hear it over the Nova running.
Yeah, it might peak at, I don't know, 98, 99.
I think when we rev it, we'll hit 100 because it sounds pretty good when you rev it. And when it's under load with the actual pushing the weight of the car, it gets a little deeper. But this is really going to help it out. I went H-pipe because I like the little deeper tone. But one piece of advice I can probably give you guys, don't lower your car 2 inches.
It was unique getting it up on these ramps.
It was shit. Here's that. I'm going to fire it up. I think this is close enough. It shoots out right down here. We'll move this just in case.
Yeah, we should be all right.
We've got it set at 90, so maybe we can adjust that. But let's see what we got. Oh, and make sure you're not in gear because you don't want to be on the belt. Neutral.
Go ahead and fire it up. 92, 93. Yeah, you spiked to 103. You were idling right around 92,
you know what's sad?
93.
All I can hear is the fan. So when you're up front, all you hear is the fan go. Not impressed, but as soon as this gets on there, we're going to go from 4 of those to 2 of those. They're farther back. This has no after sensors, so it doesn't really matter, honestly. We just need these to heat up enough to pass emissions, which I think we'll be able to do. This seemed like a pretty good little kit. Came with everything we supposedly needed, no trimming, anything like that. Should be ready to rock and roll after this, and after that we'll address air intake and stuff like that. So
yeah, we'll cool it down and get going.
we sprayed the bolts already, so we should be good.
All right, guys, we pulled the exhaust off.
What you got is you got two on this side, 2 here, the 2 hangers, and then 4 at the back, 2 on each side. You may have to disconnect your catback.
Yeah, we did have to drop our
Passenger
mufflers
side.
on the muffler on the passenger side.
They had an extra brace put in there when they put the muffler in for some reason. So the ones this side over here has a little more play in it, I guess. It has more of a swivel. This one was solid. So this is what we're replacing. We've got 4 units. I'm not sure if they're all cats or 2 of them are kind of just to kill noise, but they very well could be 2 cats and 2, what do they call them?
Resonators.
It could be 4 cats too, but we're replacing it with 2 high flows. My guess is these are probably the cats. I don't know. Well, I don't know how these are, and they're not going to keep it. So as long as this passes emissions, we're putting it up. This is heavy. This is quite a bit heavier than this guy right here. So we should shave some. Problem is we're shaving it off the middle to back of the car, where we need more weight. We need weight off the front. So what we're going to do to reinstall this, you could probably do it many ways. The way we're going to do it is put those on loosely, slide this guy in, get the front buttoned up a little bit tighter, and then put the cap back on, and then go back through, make sure everything lines up, and then tighten everything down. Then we're going to get you a sound clip, decibels. I really think this is going to make me fall back in love with the Fox body again, because when I hear this, I'm just like,
Oh, absolutely.
But when I hear this with this, it should give it that little more raspy growl.
A little bit more airflow.
Should pick up a little power too. I imagine it'll be up top a little bit. It's not like an X-pipe where you get a lot up top and maybe lose a little low end. This should keep your low end and still gain some up top. But I wanted the sound the H produces. Worst case scenario is we don't like it, we put an off-road X in it. Because the hardest part was getting, besides getting the pipe down, was getting to this one right here. That was a tough one to get to because we barely had it. We had every extension I had on there. We don't have the cats or resonators in the way anymore, so these are going to go up easy.
Yep. Throw your O2 sensors back in. Easier to put the O2 sensors on. Out.
Careful, you're not twisting the wires.
Yeah, you twist your wires up, you'll throw a check engine light. So unplug them when you go to.
That's why we've got them unplugged. A lot of people will leave them hanging there and undo them there, but you got to really twist those to get that. And I've already thrown check engines on other Mustangs. It's just not worth it. And this one still could. I still twisted over there. You can see
I got a little bit of a kink on that.
And it was undone too. I got caught and I wasn't watching, so that one's on me. But we're gonna throw this up. We haven't really shown you much of the install, but there's really a couple bolts. There's really
not much to it.
there. The car's dropped about 2 inches, so it's just sitting low even on these jack stands. But we're gonna get this put up. It is a little chilly out here. I can't wait for the weekend, so
it'll be nice.
Maybe we'll go cruise it. Let's do this.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, let me get the clutch, man.
Picked up about 10 decibels.
I know, I'm just used to off-road type. Trying to be legal, it's ridiculous. Alright guys, we got her put on. It wasn't too crazy. What do you think?
It sounds decent. It's not as loud as I thought it would be.
I got an idea, man.
It's definitely not as loud as the Coyote.
That's what we're gonna go see.
Okay.
Yeah, because I've always ran off-road pipes, so for the cats do kill it. And this still has everything factory but catback. So let's see what we got. You ready?
Yep.
To our cars either. We warmed this up before, so it's not like we just started this for the first time in 3 months and revved the shit out of it. So, but it is louder.
Yeah, 102 and peak at 114.
So this guy needs to be louder, is what you're saying.
Off-road pipe?
Off-road pipe. for sure. Gonna have to. There's no other thing to do. But we want to thank you guys for subscribing. Sorry we haven't been doing much. It's been probably almost a month.
Yeah, it's been about a month.
Because we filmed and it took me a minute to edit those. So I think it's been about a month. But we still got some more stuff to do to this. The other one I want to do is kind of shoot out the Honda 110 versus the KLX 110L.
Mm-hmm.
That would be a fun one. And then we actually got to go cruise the Camaro.
And then we got to run the Fox body against the Camaro.
That's going to be the good one.
Similar horsepower, similar weight.
I didn't think they were similar weight, but they are. Within 50 pounds, supposedly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be sick. My money's going to the Fox, though.
Yeah, I think the Camaro will take it on the bottom end, though.
Camaro
More
will take
torque.
it down low, more torque, wider tire.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think once you get going, we'll probably run them to 70.
Mm-hmm. We've got to test and do some tuning on both the fuel injections.
Yeah. Now that it's going to start warming up, we hope we'll get some time to do it. So
should be mid-70s tomorrow.
Hopefully 60s at least.
Yep.
Right? Yeah, it's still chilly out here tonight, but we need to go take this car for a cruise and see how it sounds under its own load. So we'll take you along for the ride. Did you see the dust? No. That's smoke. That's tires.
I didn't really see it.
Dude, when I looked in the mirror, all I could see was bullets. I would say overall, this thing feels still feels really strong.
What did you do? 2,000, 25,000?